Hey guys, it's Nasa, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Today we're doing a live walkthrough. Wholesaler brought me a deal. Personal friend of mine. We're going to walk through the house and see if it's something I'm going to buy or if it's something I'm going to pass on. So you guys are going to do that with me. Before we go into the video, thank you for everybody who entered the contest, right? The March Madness contest. We'll put the two winners on the screen of the one deal away. They already been contacted. Everybody claimed their prize. Thank you. So the two winners on the one deal away, they're on the screen. This is their Instagram. Secondly, for the other prizes, the $100 gift card Amazons. I'm sorry, the $100 gift cards to Amazon. I'm putting that on the screen as well. They won that. Thank you everybody who entered. I hope you guys enter next time. Really appreciate it. And now let's get to it. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. We got some hardwood floors, which is great. So, let me take a look at this. Alright, so this is one bedroom. So that's the living room, which is great. That's two bathrooms. Kitchen's already open, thank God. So the kitchen's open. This is the other bedroom. But I'm a little bit confused. I think this is real hardwood though. The front is real hardwood. This is yeah. But it definitely has potential. So if you come back here. Come back here, man. I can insulate this in. Get some work here. Hoping I can get away with 50,000 with this house. But I gotta recount the bedroom. So. Okay. Alright. So yeah, fireplace, we get rid of that. Plastic walls is gonna kill us. So I can seal this off and make that master. Yeah. I wish I would have heard that. I was looking forward to that.
I didn't want to say nothing, man.
This is brand new. The toilets are brand new. We just did all this right here. Piping for everybody been waiting on this about 10 years. Back in the back for the
I ain't even like the King Kong.
all that stuff being ran line.
Yeah, I ain't like King Kong.
Up under the floor here.
What they doing in the movie?
But I thought it was
So
good.
this floor is done. This floor here is done.
Okay.
From here to there, right here, they put new flooring. But right here is a beam that goes there to here.
Yeah.
They did not. They put board up, but then they didn't cut the rotten spot out.
Gotcha.
So, but then what I did, I went up under there. I got you, 6 by 6s probably.
Yeah.
All the way down, all the way to the front, to right here, but it still need to be jacked up. I got pillars here, but then right here, there's a pillar. That's why you got this hump right here.
I like to snap pictures because that way I can later when I can think about this or when I can do it what. I've painted vinyl siding before. You could paint this, I had to look at brand new or power. Just to let you guys know, this is one of the reasons why I don't do lease options. So they did a lease option here, and the wholesaler is paying for them to leave. So yeah, that's what we have right now. Yeah, so that's what we have. And what do you guys think? Should I buy this property? It's worth about 190, 193. I can get it at 90. I think this house is gonna take every bit of 50,000 now. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know. Comment below on what you guys think. Also, make sure you guys go to freenazbook.com and give me a whole ebook away. How you can wholesale houses, start making money like this. These guys are gonna make some great money on this flip if I buy it. And make sure you go to freenazbook.com. Also, if you're ready to buy my ebook, I'm gonna put my new ebook. I'm gonna put the link in the description. All right, peace.